Lezanne Davids. I studied at False Bay College from 2022 to 2023. I did noted Muizenberg Cafeteria where I'm an intern at the moment. So basically running the cafeteria when the supervisor's not here and just maintaining the everyday operations of the cafeteria and helping conference as functions and so forth. So in the year 2023, I took part in the Mount Nelson Reach for Young Stars in competition where I placed third place. And for me, that experience being on college molded me into being the chef that I am today because it gave me the drive to want to be in the industry and to learn more. It's my love for cooking that came from my mother and my father, especially growing up in a household where there's a lot of cousins, aunties, uncles, and that. We're always eating, always cooking. So even on a regular weekend, our family's always coming together and we're frying. And so that inspires me to be a chef and to cook with my heart. You need to have thick skin for this industry because it's not for everyone. You're gonna get days where it's tough. You're gonna go home tired, crying sometimes even in the freezer just to get away. But yeah, it's a challenge, but at the end of the day, it makes you a better chef. Always be a sponge as a chef. You know, you always have to be someone that's willing to learn, willing to take on new challenges. And at the end of the day, you have to have a creative mindset. So never stop being a child because that's where your creativity comes from. It's actually an honor because you're working with the students where you were self in the same place.